In this video, we'll walk you through setting specific write-back settings like maximum export, minimum export, percentage, or reserve quantities. To set max export, percentage, or reserve quantities for a product, go to the Products page and open the product details. In the Sales Channels tab, click the number under the Writeback Quantity column for the desired sales channel. Adjust the values: max export, maximum quantity to display, percentage. Sync a percentage of your stock. Reserve, hold back a specific quantity. Click Save, and the changes will sync during the next update. The calculated write-back quantity is determined by this formula. And that's it. You now know how to configure inventory write-back settings in Ordoro. By leveraging settings like max export, min export, percentage, and reserve, you can manage your inventory syncing to meet your business needs.